Kung bago ka lang sa channel ko, pa-subscribe naman guys at pa-like and share na rin. Ito yung gamit kong hooks guys, pang salmon at saka sea trout.
Salmon,
sana
guys.
meron kaming mahuli.
Salmon.
You want
Okay. Put it. Sana makahuli tayo ng salmon.
Hinihintay lang na may kumagat. Sana may kumagat sa hook namin. Ganyan lang siya. Tapos umaandar yung boat ng mabagal. Tapos nakalagay yung hook sa labas. Hintay lang kumagat yung mga salmon. Salmon. Sana mayroong salmon na kumagat.
Video. Here, come here.
I'm taking video.
I thought it's a grass.
Oh.
I thought it was a grass. But it was fish. I hope mackerel. Mackerel.
A little torsk.
Oh. It's not a mackerel.
Release it.
It's a fish. Yada. Yada. You don't show my face.
Bye-bye, Kad.
Oh.
Sobrang tahimik talaga ng tubig. Grabe, oh. Parang salamin. Ayan, nandito na kami sa mababaw. Ang linaw ng tubig. Makikita mo yung ilalim.
Yeah.
Maraming mga namatay na tahong. Ang lalaki ng mga tahong dyan. Kita ko yung mga shell na lang, wala nang laman. Ang ganda tignan. Makita mo lahat yung nasa ilalim. Punta ulit tayo sa medyo malalim. Walang isda dito eh. Tara guys, hanap tayo ng magandang spot. Ready na mangisda ulit tayo guys. Wish me luck sa salmon. Hindi naman salmon, bulak na naman. Ano ba yan? Bulak.
Come on. You have to go back. Bye-bye.
Meron kaming nakitang pati dolphin guys. Ayun oh. Hindi lang siya tumatalon, ganyan lang siya. Yung likod niya lang ang pinapakita niya. Hinihintay naming tumalon, di naman tumalon. Ganyan lang. Hindi kami pwedeng lumapit kasi pag lumapit kayo kami magtago sila sa tubig, ayaw umangat.
They're going there.
Oh, mayroon ulit. May isda. May nahuli. Ano na naman kaya ito?
What does it say?
Kailangan ibalik, maliliit kasi. What is this? It's fighting. Oh, what is this fish? Oh my god. Oh, oh my god. Oh. Sad maybe. Oh, salmon. Oh my god, say. Ah! It's fighting. I lost it. Where are you? Come on. Come on.
So say.
Oh, say. It's a say. Oh my god. Oops, don't put there. Yada. Oops. It's okay. It's fighting. Throw back. Bye-bye. May nakita daw yung asawa ko. So, ang tumalon na isda, baka sea trout yun. Mahal kasi yung sea trout. Wow, that's it. Very quiet, the ocean now. It's rare like this. Oops, oops, I got fish. Oh my god. What are you? What kind of fish are you? Oh, cod. Cod maybe. Or salmon. Oh my god, say. Ah! Mother one say. Bye-bye. Pauwi na daw kami guys kasi gabi na. May pasok pa yung asawa ko. Bye-bye guys.